morning, be
another one.
And your holiday vibes, we have your party vibes on radio.
Another one.
And then Mama Queen feels waiting your friend. What church you want to be our person Giomo. So young cremony.
Another one.
I mean, you can phone in and then send some best of wishes to them and all that. But in the meantime, my WhatsApp first and also SMS. And to be a person who chat be on the show, we send them through 0594 841044. 0594 841044. That is the WhatsApp number and also SMS.
Another one.
So you just send them through, and I'll be more than glad to read them live on radio for you. But I'm ready to maybe a phone line to know what's me after. But for now, my SMS. Joe. More music, let's talk here on 93.3 of 5 with the holiday vibe. Adwuma. You're from me, Jabro Zamani. Stay tuned. More music. Let's talk. In case you just tune in, higher Hinka 93.3 of 5. And I am your host with the most.
Another one.
But in the meantime, if you do speak English, how are you doing? If you speak Gantete, if you speak F1, Brekume Poiteme. If you speak Awazaya de Frafrala, if you speak Rushi Quete, I think I'm fan to form a patch of one today. Yes, also be a